morning, Rex. Today is Friday, May 15th, and today is National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day.
Gimme.
That's a good one. What do we got? Big things for today. Counselors Connect, as you know, today is Career Day on Friday. It's Information Security Analyst. It's a good job if you want to get into that. So check out more on the Counselors Connect series. Episode 8 of Stories to Help You Fall Asleep will be dropping tonight, Friday evening. The story this week is Ladies and Gentlemen by Joyce Carol Oates, who is from Lockport, by the way. That's between here and Buffalo. I know Greg will be happy about that. Junior Achievement Career Success videos prepared by Brian Stratton are posted. Mr. E sent out that information to you through a Google Classroom report. Check it out. And birthdays. Today, happy birthday to Sabrina Taji. Happy birthday, Taji. And tomorrow, Victor Rivera. Unfortunately, school tool is down, so I don't have their pictures, but you probably know what they look like. That's it for today. Have a great weekend, Rex. We're halfway through the fourth quarter.